Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make flavored mochas. Now, mocha simply means it's just a shot of espresso with chocolate and some steamed milk. But if you want to add a little spice to your mocha, you can add any flavor that you want. Today we're going to be using a caramel flavoring, and you can find these coffee flavored syrups down the coffee aisle at your local grocery store. And like I said, today we're using caramel. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to pull a shot of espresso, steam some milk, and put our preliminary ingredients in our serving glass. Let's get started. Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to add our chocolate, and we're going to use about 1 to 2 teaspoons, and I'm just going to measure that with my eye. And you're going to put that in the bottom of the cup just to ensure that the espresso and the milk blend well with that mocha. Then we're going to take about the equal amount, 1 to 2 teaspoons of our caramel flavoring, pour that in the bottom as well. Then we're going to pour a shot of espresso and steam our milk. Once we have the chocolate and the flavored syrup in the bottom of our serving cup, we're then going to pour our shot of espresso. And while that's pouring, we're going to measure out our milk to steam. Fill your carafe up about 3/4 of the way. And we're going to wait for our shot to end up pouring there. You're going to want to keep your eye on your shot of espresso. When it turns to a light orange or a dark yellow, we're then going to turn that off. Next, we're going to steam our milk, which we just simply turn on our steam wand, and we're going to steam the milk until it has a little bit of foam on top of the milk. Once we have our shot of espresso and our steamed milk, we're then going to take our shot and pour that in the bottom of our serving glass. Now remember, we already put in our chocolate and our flavored syrup so that it would blend well and you won't really need to stir the beverage in the end. After we poured our shot of espresso in there, then we're going to take our steamed milk and we're going to pour that on top. Once you've done that, you could top it off with whipped cream if you want, or you can serve it as it is, and you have yourself a flavored mocha. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make flavored mochas at home.